Hi guys, Elliot from Valet Pro. Today we've got this Porsche 928 in. We're going to do some cleaning on the leather seats. So as we can see from the back seats, I think they should be white. These are a little bit more of a sort of a browny, dirty cream at the moment. So we're going to put some tape down the middle and see if we can get these back up to scratch. We've got a leather soap here. Just going to pour some onto our applicator pad. I'm just going to work it into the leather. This again is a nice and easy to use product. We're just going to evenly wipe it all over the seat there using our applicator. And then we're going to get our leather brush and then use our leather brush to agitate it. This should then lift the dirt. And then because it's a gel based, it should encapsulate the dirt and then we can then wipe it clean. Alright, so we've just agitated it now. So I'm just going to wipe it with our cloth and that should just lift all the dirt out. Just going to lift the tape now and see the 50-50. So this 50-50 was just to show you guys the before and after so you can visually see the difference in clean and dirty leather. We're now going to crack on and do the rest of the seat and then you can see the finish outcome at the end. So guys, as you can see, our leather soap is a really easy product to use. It's just a simple apply, agitate and then wipe off and you're done. Thanks for watching this video, hope you enjoyed it. As always, give us a like, comment, subscribe and share the video.